Hi, I'm Garrett Berdan, registered dietitian and chef. I work with schools to provide training, including training in food allergies.
And I'm Coleman Collins, also a registered dietitian with expertise in food allergies.
When handling potentially allergenic foods in the kitchen, it is essential to use proper handling techniques to prevent accidental food allergy reactions from happening.
Cross-contact is a term used to describe when one food comes into contact with another food and the allergenic proteins could have transferred. In many cases, the amount of food that's transferred to one food is so small that it cannot be seen. Even the smallest amount of protein can cause an allergic reaction when eaten.
Right, Sherry. And cross-contact is not the same thing as cross-contamination, which involves transfer of pathogens to ready-to-eat foods.
So how do we prevent cross-contact in the kitchen, Garrett?
There are several methods to help prevent cross-contact. First, be sure utensils and equipment are thoroughly washed and sanitized before and between uses. Next, consider using separate utensils and equipment for allergenic foods. Some food service supply vendors sell color-coded allergen-aware utensils for preparing common food allergens such as peanut butter. However, it is not necessary to purchase new equipment for this purpose. Simply use the equipment and utensils on hand and label them with color-coded tape around the handle. Just be sure your color coding is consistent. For example, you could choose purple tape to color code your utensils for preparing foods with peanuts or peanut butter.
That's a great tip, Garrett. I like that they don't necessarily have to purchase new equipment for that.
Absolutely. Another best practice is to prepare allergen-containing foods last. And of course, follow proper hand washing practices.
Great ideas. Are there some specific tips for cleanup?
Yes, always wash and sanitize preparation surfaces before and after preparing allergenic foods. And again, wash, rinse, and sanitize all utensils and equipment. If using color-coded utensils, place them into a separate storage container that is designated for that purpose.
And in the dining area, it's essential that staff wash and sanitize all dining tables between each lunch period. Research shows that using common household or commercial cleaning agents are sufficient to remove proteins from surfaces. And we must not forget the importance of communicating about allergens to students and customers.
Yes, schools should use highly visible labels indicating the common food allergen on all packaged and bulk served foods on the serving line. For example, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich would have stickers on the package that showed it contains wheat and peanuts. Proper labeling should also be used on the food line and the menu.
Using safe handling techniques to serve all potentially allergenic foods will help manage risks in the school food environment.
For more ideas on how to manage peanut foods and other allergens in schools, visit www.peanutallergyfacts.org.